next guest here to talk about the grand opening of a new wellness center. It's designed to revolutionize how West Michigan experiences health care. An important topic. Holistic Health Collective is that topic. Open house this Friday. Dr. Nicole Cain, co-founder of Health for Life Counseling, and more on your list, on your hat, including your book, Panic Proof. Dr. Cain, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Going to serve healthy snacks on Friday?
So many snacks. It's going to be a veritable smorgasbord.
There we are. I don't want to jump too far ahead. Tell me a little bit about you, please.
My passion is to help empower people with information about how their symptoms are telling them what needs healing so that they can figure out how. And we've brought some of that to West Michigan in the form of trauma-informed counseling. And the creation of the Holistic Health Collective is aiming to bring together lots of different types of practitioners with their experiences and their learning. For example, chiropractors, acupuncturists, doulas, energy workers, yoga instructors, to really work together to create a cohesive foundation. And so my passion is helping all of that come to life.
What has been happening? Kind of separate little areas where come to see Dr. Cain for this, come to see Dr. such and such for this?
Generally speaking, our healthcare system is really siloed. Yes. And so you have a headache, you go to your primary care, or maybe you go to a neurologist. Mm-hmm. Or if you have anxiety in your gut, you may see a gastroenterologist or maybe a counselor. Mm-hmm. And so the goal is that you have a one-stop shop where you can go and be treated as a whole person. Because the research shows that it all goes together. Just like if your car breaks down, your mechanic isn't going to be just a brake mechanic or just a spark plug mechanic. Mm-hmm. It's a whole car look, and we try to create a whole person look.
Important. All right, so Holistic Healthcare Collective, where are you physically located?
We're right off of the 5 Mile and East Belt line.
And you're a brick and mortar, obviously.
Yes, we're a brick and mortar. We have a beautiful building, and it's right in the back of a cul-de-sac against the woods. We have trees and deer, so it kind of brings in this natural element, being a little bit out of the city and in a beautiful building.
Are you open as we speak?
We are open, and we have people on grid that are doing great healing. Right now, we have a yoga class that's going on, Soham Yoga, and we have acupuncture going on. We have a wonderful integrative MD, and her name is Zilling Trowbridge. She's seeing patients as we speak.
Yes. What about you? What will you, Dr. Nicole Cain, offer?
I offer a lot of business consultation because I don't see patients in Michigan. So when I'm here, I do consultation and education. So I love helping clinicians escalate their business to get the word out. I also do training, education, and I wrote a book. And so I love to do teachings on that.
All right, tell me about your book.
It's called Panic Proof. This book came out of a desire to prove to the world that panic is something that can be healed in many ways. Our panic is kind of like putting on a warm coat in the winter, and that warm coat is an adaptation that protects us. But then when summer comes and it's no longer hot and we don't need that coat, if we keep it on, that adaptation will cause us to overheat. It will cause us problems. The research shows that panic and anxiety are adaptations. And
thank you. Again, where can I get my copy of Panic Proof?
You can get it at any local bookshop. It's also at the library, and I did an ebook. So if you want to hang out with me, you can listen to it on Audible.
All right, back to Holistic Health Collective and the grand opening celebration. How will it work Friday?
You are invited to come. Anyone from the community. It's occurring this Friday, September 26th, and it's 5 to 7:30 p.m. I'd love to share the address, and that is 3368 East Beltline Court Southeast, right here in the heart of Grand Rapids. And the first 30 people that arrive will receive a door prize. There's going to be so many goodies, gift baskets. You're going to get access to a raffle, a free raffle. You may get a free session with a registered nutritionist, an aesthetics package, a yoga membership, sound bath, IVs, so much more. There's also going to be a lot of really healthy farm-to-table, delicious organic food.
Nice. Does one need to, well, let me put this another way. Can I attend your collective going into it with wellness? Say I don't have an issue at this point and I just want to be as well as possible. You can lead me through that with the yogas and the other treatments that are not necessarily restoring an issue?
Oh my goodness, that question is beautiful. So you were talking about symptom management versus wellness pursuits.
That's it.
And so I love that. So yes, we help people who are coming in and they have pain or they have a history of chronic disease, but we also have people that are bringing their kiddos in and they just want them to be healthier, or they're in a new phase of life where they're ready to make changes to pursue better concentration, better mood, better health. And so we love supporting you through all of that.
I don't want to get too much in the weeds, but is there a membership opportunity or is it, pay as I play?
You can pay as you play, kind of an a la carte model where you get to create your own supportive network. We can collaborate as members of a team, or you can really have that intimate one-on-one with your trusted clinician. There are also membership options, especially through Soham Yoga, where if you're looking for yoga that's trauma-informed, that's not like just taking a really hard class, you'll get a good workout, but it's a little bit more focused on that mind-body connection. And they have memberships where you can add on an IV package and get really good hydration after a class, or a massage package. And so there are some really fun options for that.
Good. Well, hopefully you bask in your success at least from 5 to 7 Friday, and then certainly get back at it. What are your hours in general?
We are open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., although individual clinicians do sometimes do weekends and later evening hours. I know that our acupuncturist, for example, comes in on Saturdays. Our IV nurse comes in on Saturdays. So if you're a busy, hardworking 9-to-5er and you can't make those hours, don't worry. There's someone there for you. Again,
a place where a team of dedicated practitioners can collaborate under one roof to serve our community. So, I would say that's required for all.
Yes, thank you.
Dr. Nicole Cain, co-founder of course, Health for Life Counseling, but now also part of the Holistic Health Collective. Details one more time for Friday, please.
Please come on Friday, September 26th, 5 to 7:30 p.m. If you're one of the first 30 people, you will receive an excellent door prize. We're so excited to meet you.
You don't show up, you don't win. There we are. Is it September 26th already at the end of the month? Oh.
How did that happen?
Yeah, you live life full. Thank you, Dr. Cain. Enjoy your time Friday, and continued good luck and good healing with Holistic Health Collective.
Thanks, Shelly.